Think this is just another boring form? Think again. What if I told you this form can do things Google Forms can't, like sliders, signature fields, and even voice responses? Let me show you how. Say goodbye to plain old forms. This one doesn't just ask questions. It adapts to your needs with innovative features. Whether it's one question or 100, you can mix and match formats seamlessly, making it perfect for any project, big or small. Worried about incomplete submissions? No problem. This form ensures users get real-time notifications to fill in any skipped questions, so you'll never miss important details. To create this, all you need is a Google spreadsheet and some simple code. And the best part? I'll provide the code for free via a link in the description below. So stick around. Ready to build your custom form? Let's get started. First, open a new spreadsheet in your Google Drive and name it something catchy, like Red Forms. Add your title at the top. And in the first row, list each question in its own column. Below each question, specify its type. Here's an example to get you started. Question 1. What's your name? Text field. Question 2. Do you agree to participate? Radio buttons. Yes/no. Question 3. Signature request. Question 4. A slider asking, how much? Question 5. A voice response field for detailed feedback. You can add as many questions as you need, using any combination of these types. Once set up, every question you add will automatically appear in the form. No extra work required. Plus, all the responses get neatly organized in your spreadsheet for easy access. Once the spreadsheet is ready, we'll move to the next step. Go to Extensions, App Script. We'll wait for it to load. And it already includes a file called code. Additionally, we'll create a new HTML file that we'll call index. In the code file, we'll copy a code that I already have saved here, which I wrote earlier. You don't need to copy this code. I'll provide a link in the description for you to get it for free without any issues. We'll do the same in this file called index. We'll paste the code for the application. Next, let's deploy our application. For this, we'll go to the Deploy tab and create a new deployment. We'll select the type as a web application and give access to anyone with the link to use this application. We'll press Deploy, and it will ask us to authorize the necessary access for the application to work. Since Google doesn't know who's creating it, it will ask us several times, and we need to authorize it first. We authorize access. And it will ask us to sign in with our account. Once this screen appears, we need to go to the Advanced section and access the project, here at the bottom. Once we do all of this, it will allow us to press this button to enable the application. Now, we wait for a bit. And we have everything we need. You can start using the application at this link, as I'll show you now. Here, we have our application in action. Something to note is that whatever title we add in the spreadsheet will appear as the title of the form, and the questions we define will also show up here. For example, the user will need to enter their name, agree to participate, sign using the signature field, use the slider to provide a response, record a voice response. If any question is left unanswered, submission won't be possible. Additionally, if the user makes a mistake while signing, they can use the erase button to reset the signature field. Once everything is filled out, they can submit the form. After submission, the user will see a confirmation message, and the responses will be saved in the spreadsheet. For the signature field, a link to a PNG file of the signature will be provided. This file can be viewed directly or found in the same folder as the spreadsheet. As I mentioned, I'll provide a link in the description where you can get the code for free. And if you wish, you can also contribute a couple of dollars, which are very useful for me. If you have any changes in mind or encounter issues with the app's functionality, please let me know in the comments. This is a very basic app. Many improvements can be made, such as programming it to send emails automatically or adding other type of questions. If you're interested in me making another video expanding on those topics, please leave a comment.